Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you from the entertainment blog. Iceberg Slim finally opens up on why he cheated on Juliet Ibrahim. The Nigerian rapper said he cheated on the Ghanaian actress because he was looking for something he didn't know he had in himself. He added, "I got to a point where I wasn't sure if I truly loved myself and I ended up seeking emotional comfort elsewhere." He revealed this while taking up questions from his fans on Instagram. Okay guys, that's just what he said this afternoon while taking questions on Instagram. What do you think about his reason for cheating on the beautiful actress? Share your comments in the section below. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.